If you've ever used hair gel and noticed your scalp feeling dry, flaky, or itchy a day or two later, I'm about to show you exactly why and what your hair has been missing this whole time. Stay with me because by the end of this, you're going to look at your styling routine completely different. So today's video is all about how to use hair clay, what it is, how it works, the do's and don'ts, and some pro tips along the way. And I get it. For a lot of you, gel has been your go-to for years. It's what you grew up using. It's familiar, it's reliable for hold. So I'm not here to tell you it's wrong. I'm here to walk you through a different option, one that gives you that same hold and texture, but works with your hair instead of just sitting on top of it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it and why it might be worth adding to your routine. Hello everyone, real quick story time. You may be wondering, why should I even listen to you? Well, my name is Kimmy. I'm a licensed master cosmetologist and has been for over the last 20 years. Here's the proof. Yes, so I saw that all of the products that are in the store were packed with chemicals and different type of preservatives that are not good for our skin nor our hair. Let me share real briefly what I found. Alcohol, PVP, phenethyl, PEG40, perfumes, and this long word that I cannot pronounce. So I decided that I would embark on my own skin and hair care line. All natural ingredients, never any chemical. This is our Back2Naturalness Tallow Hair Clay for men. I made this because I wanted something that gives you hold, texture, and that matte lived-in look without the drying alcohol, without the plastic buildup, and without synthetic preservatives doing who knows what to your scalp. Instead, this is made with ingredients that actually feed your hair and scalp while you style. Okay, let's go over exactly how to use this. This is my own personal one that I use almost every day, as you can see. So do use this on dry or slightly damp hair, never wet hair. Do use a small portion, just a pea size is good enough. Do start at the roots of your hair and then work your way outward. Start in the back before you start in the front. Do take a small pea size and rub it in between your fingers, your hand, and rub it in until it is invisible, and then you apply it on your hair. Do not, again, use it on fully wet hair. Do not. Okay. Here's a few pro tips from 20 years behind the chair. Pro tip number 1, if your clay feels too firm, warm it up longer between your palms. Body heat is your best tool here. Pro tip number 2, for extra hold on a texture crop or quiff, apply in thin layers rather than one big scoop. Pro tip number 3, this clay also works great on beards. Same warm-up method, then work it through for shape and softness. Pro tip number 4, because this is feeding your scalp every time you use it, you don't need a separate scalp oil on styling days. It's doing double duty. Now let's get into the styles. This clay is built for the looks that are trending right now. The texture crop, messy top. This is the style right now. Piecewise, separated, matte, no shine, no crunch. Just rake your fingers through dry hair after warming the clay. Effortless, lived-in look. Slick back, casual comb over. Want that clean comb over look without the greasy, wet gel shine? Warm this between your palms, comb or finger it back. You get hold and a soft, natural finish, not that plastered down look. The modern quiff, volume lift. For the quiff, just a little at the roots. Lift with your fingers for that volume and height in the front. Natural movement, not stiff. Define fluffy beard. And for the beard, work this through for shape and hold, but it still feels soft. Not stiff, not greasy, just clean and defined. Tame flyaways, post barber shape up. Fresh out the barber chair, this moves down those flyaways for that polished, just out look that lasts longer. Also great for twist outs. If you've got curly or coily hair, crush this into damp coils for definition without that hard, crunchy cast. Edge control. Small amount on a brush, smooth those edges. No flaking, no white residue, just clean lines. Faux Locs. Great for smoothing edges and laying down flyaways along part lines if you're doing locks. So my friends, we have learned what's in the hair gels that are store-bought. Now let's find out what is in Back2Naturalness Hair Clay for Men. I will read it so that I would not leave out any wonderful ingredient. Arrowroot powder, kaolin clay, bentonite clay, activated charcoal, shea butter, beef tallow, jojoba oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. All of these are natural ingredients, you guys. Never any chemicals. So to recap, this is Back2Naturalness Tallow Hair Clay for Men. This is how you use it. And now you know what's actually going into your hair and scalp every single day with whatever product you choose. Whether you switch today or just think about it next time you're shopping. You're now educated, and that's the whole point. Links below if you want to try it. Try it once with less than you think you need, and I promise you, you'll be surprised. See you next time. Thank you for staying with me to the end. If you want to hear more about Back2Naturalness, all natural skin and hair care products, stay with me. This is Back2Naturalness Dry Shampoo Powder. This absorbs oil and keeps your hair naturally fresh, chemical free. This is Back2Naturalness Sugar Scrub. It comes unscented and scented to exfoliate your skin. Here is Back2Naturalness All Natural Tallow Deodorant. It smells amazing. This is the baby powder scent. It comes in other scents as well. Keeps you fresh, chemical free. This is Back2Naturalness Tallow Hair Growth Cream Oil. I used to be bald on the sides of my temples until I started using this tallow hair growth oil. This is for your skin. Back2Naturalness Beef Tallow Whipped Cream for dry skin. As you can see, we have soap too, all natural handmade soap, black activated soap for your skin. If you have pimples or dark spots or anything like that, Back2Naturalness Honey Turmeric Soap. Back2Naturalness Beef Tallow Soap. This is good, made from the cow. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are in here. So if you want nutrients for your skin. This is for sensitive skin people. I use this a lot because I have sensitive skin. This is Back2Naturalness Castile Soap, made with only 3 ingredients. And of course, we've already talked about Back2Naturalness. Has some of the stuff in it. Back2Naturalness Tallow Hair Clay for Men. We've already talked about this one. Thank you for joining me. You can find us on Amazon, Walmart.com, our website, Back2Naturalness.com. Thank you for joining, and have a good day or night.